What else I do to keep dense energy away? See, you have to understand energy is not always bad. It's just dense energy. It is just energy which is around you. So I also really want to take Preeti back, burn sandalwood. Ratan, okay, that is a practice to clean the energy of your environment. That is true. So another thing that really helps is taking a salt water bath, guys. It's like I can guarantee you will instantly start feeling better. Dhoop, Dhoop is a good option. Keeping cleansing plants is a good option. Loban at home. Wow. Do you guys like do all of this? I'm just so happy that you do all of this. Do you all burn the incense? Do you all burn the camphor? Do you all burn the Loban, the sandalwood? I'm so happy. I'm so happy you do this. You should like do more of those and like tag me because I'd love to have a look. We have Preeti back. I'm hoping we catch her this time. Yes.
Hi, finally.
Where am I talking to you from?
Shimla. See, we don't even know. That's why there's so much of network issues.
So I've lived in Himachal. I've lived in Parmanu for like 6, 7 years.
Awesome. So
And
I thought, I was from mountains and you were from beaches.
I have had the luxury, or I've presented myself with enough opportunities to be able to live in Himachal also and in Goa also. So
Awesome.
yeah,
That's nice.
so Himachal
Great to see you finally, huh?
same here, Preeti. I want to tell you, Himachal used to be like जब भी बर्फ पड़ती थी, we all used to like get up and say, चलो चलो, time to go to Himachal. Life is
Yeah.
boring. चलो चलो, time to go to Chandigarh to watch a movie at Dhillon Cinema. Because Parmanus are the foothills, right? And then
Right.
there's Pinjore, Panchkula. So I'm so glad and I'm so proud of the work you're putting out there, Preeti. Like, I'm
Thank you
so
so much.
you are so knowledgeable. You have helped me so much. I was just telling our viewers right here that when I was doing houses, I was so confused about energy, and you helped me every step of the way. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Yeah. It means a lot. And in fact, I think the universe just got us connected. Out
Yeah.
of the blues, like, one fine day, we just got connected. And that's how, it's such a beautiful journey. So thank you. At least, you have the trust and the faith, and that's important, Megha. Because at the end of the day, you need to trust whom you're asking. So,
That is true. I think it's because of the content you put out there, I kind of felt confident in what you will tell me, and I followed everything to the T.
yeah,
Even
I know.
though I was locked down, you said a sage plant, you said a jade plant. Ja, jaake, I got everything.
Yeah, that was the good one. You were picking them up from the nurseries, and we were like, okay, pick this one, pick that
Yeah.
one. So that was fun.
Yeah.
But
So tell.
that's something I really believe.
Hmm.
It's always better to implement what you say. So even right now out here, I do have tulsi, I do have sage, jade is there in the entrance, because unless and until we won't experience the shift, how can we be confident enough to share to the people around?
Yes, so true, so true. Today I can talk about taking a salt bath because I know it has really helped me. So yeah, so tell us, share with us, just talk, just tell us. I'm so excited for you. Other practices,
Thank you.
what is it?
Okay, so like we were talking about salt. So I think there are many people who do know the benefits of salt bath, what I was seeing in the comments. So yeah, you can definitely take a salt bath. Apart from that, you can also take, see, these are the Himalayan salt you get easily in Amazon. So you can keep these chunks too in a glass
Okay,
bowl. Okay, so it's going to absorb the negativity from your space. Change it
okay,
after a week. You can also put a lemon, half lemon. So again, it's going to absorb the negative energies of your space, and just
okay,
keep it like this. If you don't have a Himalayan salt, a simple cooking salt will also do the wonders,
okay.
right? Now,
Yes.
of course, there was somebody who was talking about sage. So yes, sage is, you can already see how much I've burnt it, and I use it. So
Hmm.
sage is used to basically smudge your space. If you feel low, you can definitely do the smudging of your own self. You can use a Palo Santo stick too. Now, I saw somebody posting about sandalwood. Yes, of course, a lot of people in South even do the sandalwood smudging, which is the Indian Vedic way. So these are all mentioned in the ancient Vedic way. अगर आप हवन में देखो उसमें भी चंदन होगा,
Hmm.
right? उसमें भी वो सारी सामग्री होगी, जैसे कपूर, which is alum, like somebody was asking. So that's alum. Kapoor. Yes, we burn camphor. We burn. You can keep a lemon, slice it into half, and you can even burn a camphor on it. So basically, both are used to remove negativity from the space. So
Okay.
yeah, anyone wants to ask a question, or then we can move to the other tips.
Uh, yeah, people have basically spoken about what they use: loban, sandalwood, camphor, lemon. That's what they have written right now. But Preeti, can you tell us, like, why do you think something like this is important? What made you do it? What happened? Like, what made you do it, so that they know, okay, now it's time to do it.
Okay, so I never experienced anything as such negative energies or something like that. I came into this field, I think, because it was just meant, things. But I was diagnosed with TB meningitis. So I was like under doctor. I was not well for almost 3-4 years. That's when, when you're not well physically, you tend to move towards spirituality. That's where I got connected with my sister-in-law, who was a tarot card reader. And then we just started learning up. It became, it's a big ocean. Once you take a dip, you come to know so many other modalities. And when you start implementing on it, the shift starts happening. So even I was a very typical housewife till 15 years of my marriage. So once I, came into this field and I got the exposure and that urge to learn more and more, and I started implementing on myself, and the results are for everybody to see. So if I can do it, I think everybody should do it. If you want to see a major shift in your life, do it. If a simple housewife can do it, I think anybody can do it. Because we are the ones who have never been out from our home. So if we can do it, see how much it's changed us. You become financially independent. Of course, your family is proud of you. So there are a lot of advantages.
Okay, so basically, you, after 15 years of being married, you decided to make this shift, and this really helped you, right? Yeah, and today, I mean, I look up to you, and there's so much knowledge you have to impart. So, was it like trial and error? Was it like you tried something? What, like, what I personally believe is, today I can tell you कि प्रीति आप salt bath लो और आपको instantly फर्क पड़ेगा.
Correct.
But what if it doesn't make a difference to you in one session? Maybe you do it a couple of times and then, because it's like बर्तन कितना गंदा है, you can't clean it in one wash. You have to
One
apply
wash.
more. So with everybody, it's very individual, right?
See, one thing which I have learned from my experience and my whatever the workshops I have learned myself and under many mentors, one thing I've realized, it takes 40 days for any shift to happen, right?
Okay.
At least do anything for 40 days. And I'm a firm believer of law of universe. So I feel if you just want something, your intentions should be very positive, very clear, very precise what you want, right? And then automatically you will start seeing the shift. Now, regarding the salt bath, like we were talking about, see, it's very simple. There are times when you are low, there are times when I started, practicing these things. And then suddenly, okay, after 40 days, I started seeing I'm becoming more calmer.
Yeah.
These things are happening, the family is more happy. So,
And you did the salt bath all 40 days? It was a 40 days thing?
yeah, it was a 40 days ritual. So whatever we do for 40 days. For example, if you feel there's a lot of negativity in your place, what will you do? Start smudging. So if there are a lot of arguments, start doing those simple love tips which I keep on sharing. You will see the change.
Okay.
So you need to have that firm faith. Again, the crystals, for example, rose quartz. So I started with my own self. This is a rose quartz crystal bracelet. See,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So when you wear it in your left hand, it's touching your body. Now, if you know about Rose Quartz, it's all about self-love. It's all
Hmm.
about, having a good relationship with the people around. So when I started giving to my clients, and they was like, their feedback has actually given me so much of confidence, because it has worked wonders not only for me. See, for me, it could have been a coincidence, but when it's working for all the people whom I'm, sharing, and they are giving the feedback, that's when the confidence comes that yes, this is a sure shot remedy.
Okay.
No?
So that's great. And now, like, would you like to tell us a few rituals that we can do at home to cleanse the dense energy, and what the difference is between dense energy, good energy, and bad energy? This even I get confused, because I'd like to say that everything is dense energy, but how is it different from bad energy? Or is it even different?
It is quite different. See, dense energy, when it becomes really dense, it starts harming you. There are people who get psychic attacks. There are people who, something is really wrong. Like, when they say, oh, we are seeing some entities, or they're getting the psychic attacks. That's the time. Okay, put the camera down. Okay, that's the time when you can see that the energies are really harming you. See, if it's positive, if the energies are positive in your home, there will be a lot of harmony, there will be a lot of happiness around whatever you are working, things are happening. So if I want to go somewhere, and if I'm working, my home energies or my space energy is positive, nothing can stop me, right? But if there are hurdles, if there are blockages, what will happen? At the last moment, some problem is gonna erupt, or I
Yeah.
won't be able to reach that place, or something wrong starts happening in the family members only. People are falling sick, and you don't
Yeah.
know the reason. So frequent illness, frequent accidents, frequent things which are not normal. That means
Yeah.
it's a dense energy, and it's very simple to know. Like the lemon, which I keep on posting, Megha. If you see, like some
Yeah.
people, it's crazy. The nails are coming out, the eyes are popping out, and all those red marks are coming on the lemon. In fact, even the formation of the alphabet initial is coming,
My
and
God, that's crazy.
that's freaking crazy. And there are times when people are keeping the lemon in their glass and it's bursting. So that means imagine how bad the energies are.
That's
The lemon
crazy.
should always. So it does give goosebumps at times. And initially, it was scary because there was one girl from Shimla, and she came to me that her sister is possessed with some psychic energy, something which is not normal. And I just told her, okay, good, fair enough. Just take this bracelet. It was a black tourmaline bracelet, just for protection. And the day she wore, the girl, in the middle of the night, she felt somebody is just stopping her to wear that. Told her, if something wrong happens, or if you don't want to wear it, keep on wearing it, because that's an indication that it's not there was something.
There was,
Can you
yeah.
imagine, in the morning the beads were broken?
Wow, really?
Yeah. So there are many such instances, which was so scary and freaking.
That's crazy.
Devils coming up from the candles, they used when I used to give the people these candles. So these are basically homemade candles which I make.
Okay,
So these are infused with herbs and oils.
okay,
So what happens? You need to burn them on a Saturday and Tuesday. Now the formation which comes, so it's scary. At times, the devil shape is coming up. At times, Ganesh Ji is coming up. So Ganesh Ji is always a significance that there is positivity. There's a lot of blessings in your home. So don't
yeah.
worry, we are here. That is the reason we say keep the angels, keep some idols, because it's a blessing to you. But
Hmm.
if they're dense energies like the ones we were talking about, it's scary. You can see the flames, at times it's going haywire.
Yeah, I've seen them and I can't believe them. And I've obviously seen on your handle about the candles, and I've seen the lemon
Yeah.
thing. Honestly, I'm like literally scared to keep a lemon around the house to see what might come up. Not like I feel like there is any dense energy here, but it's so real that I don't know if I'm ready for it. But these candles you're saying, like devils and Ganpati
It
ji
comes
form,
out, yeah. Om comes out, Ganpati comes out. It's so beautiful. It's a very therapeutic, I would say. You know, even the people who are seeing this shift, they feel so calm because एक psychological चीज आ जाती है. Oh, that means the release has started. Oh, that means, you know, now the negativity is going out from a place.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
but you know
Wow.
what I see from your aura or what I see the energies, it's very calm. So trust me, this new house energies are beautiful. It's
Thank you.
reflecting on your face, so one can easily make out.
Yeah, but I am happy here, and I think एक घर बनता है हम लोगों से, and I'm a very house proud person in the sense कि everything has to be very nicely done. अगर कोई बल्ब टूटा है, कुछ टूटा है, I will not live like that. I will have come in whatever has to, because I just don't like anything broken. So I am careful, I am particular. There are few things that I do at home so that I can cleanse energy. So many of us are, in the public eye, in the sense we have our people, we have all of us who's interested in each other's lives, our friends, family. So I personally feel it's not necessary that कोई मेरे ऊपर बुरी नजर लगा रहा है. It's just dense energy. And I personally feel better every time I take a salt bath, or every time I burn camphor or red chilies or sage or Palo Santo. Every time I do it, I feel better. And I always used to think it's more in my head. But now what I'm going to do is, आपने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी tip दी है to do it for 40 days continuously. I
Yeah.
was not like that. I would just do it as a one-off thing.
No, no, just do it for 40 days. Because कोई भी चीज को शिफ्ट होने में ना, see, nothing happens overnight. Like लोगों को लगता है वो नजर लग गई होगी. It's
Yeah.
not like that. वो पता है accumulate होती रहती है आपके ऊपर. So अगर किसी चीज को हम रिलीज भी करेंगे, it is going to take 40 days.
Yes.
See, very simple example I'll give you. We all have seen a kitchen drain pipe. See, that is something we can relate as a woman, right?
All
So
seen.
how the kitchen drain pipe, it becomes clogged, your
Yes.
kitchen pipe, right?
Yes.
So it
We
doesn't
had.
happen,
हाँ.
है ना? So it doesn't happen overnight. होता
हाँ.
क्या है कि उसमें फंसे जा रही चीजें, and we are not looking after, and it's becoming blocked. So what do? We immediately we will put Kiwi Drainix, and the pipes are cleared.
Yes.
Similarly, it's our life. Our life is nothing but a clogged pipe, you know. So we need to
Yeah.
cleanse it. If we need any manifestations in our life, we need to cleanse ourselves. And this is how we do. So what you can do is, see, you can keep the angels, like those who believe in angels. So I have an angel set. So I have, you know, it's a thing that, okay, they are protecting me. They are here to bless me. So this is Archangel Jophiel. So we have Chamuel, we have Michael. So I do keep them with me.
Okay.
So these are like, you know, you can keep in your altar, you can keep in a sacred space, just like we keep gods and goddesses. So this
Right.
is one way for protection. Again, you can keep cherubs. See, you can keep cherubs like these.
Okay.
So
Oh,
even they are like a blessing. Basically, you're having angels around.
okay.
Yeah. So another one would be okay. So see this one. So you can keep any form of angels. It's like it says hope. It says faith and peace. So these are the things which I relate to very closely. So whenever you're feeling down, you know, okay, just have a look. So
Yeah.
it's gonna calm you, right? Another thing. So crystals, as you know a bit about crystals, so we can keep a black tourmaline. See this,
Okay.
right? So black tourmaline, just like you can wear a bracelet. This is a tumble form,
Okay.
right? This is a raw form,
Okay.
right? Again, we have bracelets. This is a pyrite bracelet, but the bracelet would be somewhat in a black color,
Right.
right? So you can keep this, even this is gonna absorb the negative energies from your space. So
Right.
when you feel that something wrong is happening around you, just place it in your left hand. Keep your right hand like this, and just say that all the negative energies that are right now should be released.
Okay.
Visualize the energy. Visualize, you will start feeling the sensation.
Okay.
That is the proof of the pure crystal. So these are
Okay.
the rock crystals, right? You can always wear them like this in your hand so that it touches you, right? So like this is for name and fame. This is a turquoise, and this is citrine. So this is for abundance, money, prosperity.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
these are the again. You can always keep citrine. These are the raw forms. Like I showed you the black tourmaline. So this is again a raw form, which is a citrine, right?
Right. Right.
तो इसी का ही ये ब्रेसलेट है, this yellow one.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Now this is amethyst. Why do we keep amethyst? We have heard a lot about amethyst. Now amethyst again, it helps in clairvoyance, it helps in clarity, intuition. So if you want to get certain answers, just keep this in your left, keep your right palm and meditate on it. Think about it. It's gonna help in opening up your third eye chakra too.
Okay.
So these are certain things which you can keep. Again, you can even like you are a non-vegetarian or a vegetarian.
I'm a non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian. So like you can you must be having eggs, right? Start keeping eggshells, grind them, powder them. You can keep it as a line in your entrance. Eggshells are basically used in all the protection spells. So
Okay.
yeah, so you can even add some salt, like the bowl which I was talking to you about, the salt
Yeah.
bowl. So you can
Hmm.
add some eggshells.
Hmm.
That's gonna act as a protection. It's a very, very old hoodoo and a Wicca tip. So eggshells
Yeah.
were used for protection. Yeah.
Yes, I've seen like people taking the eggshell and painting faces on it and putting it outside their house,
Yeah.
making a that
That's
because
basically they're making like an egg puppet. So जैसे
yeah.
वो dolls होती हैं. So that's something which is on a very, very higher and something which we don't want to talk because it's not something which even I can relate to. So I believe
Okay.
something which is very positive and nothing black. It should be always white. So I believe in white spells and things like that.
Okay.
So egg cleansing also you can do at home. You can just take an egg and you can just take a clockwise 7 times. You can just take out your nazar the way you do with red chili flakes. Similarly,
Right.
you can do with egg.
One full egg.
One full egg. ठीक है,
And
उसको
then
लिया हाथ में, clockwise 7 times. अपना नजर उतारी पाँव से नीचे, पाँव से
हाँ.
ऊपर, ठीक है,
हाँ.
and then just dispose that egg in the dustbin. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Another
I'm going
one is the one.
sorry.
Another
Sorry.
one is yeah. So another one is the one, the egg cleansing which I keep on posting. Take a
Hmm.
glass of water,
Yes,
break the
yes,
egg, and if you
yes.
see any red dots, if you see anything which is not white, that means there's negativity. There might be a web. A web again signifies blocked energies in your life. So that is the reason why so many times people are working hard, but nothing is manifesting. For a simple reason, this is a time of COVID, right? Where it is with each and everybody of us. Why, even at this time, some of us are working and some of us, nothing is happening.
Right,
So that means our space energies are cleared. They are more positive. So opportunities आराम से आ पा रही हैं. अगर
right,
blocked होंगी तो कहाँ से आएंगी? So,
right. That is so true.
so
I would like I would also say like decluttering is a big part, right? To keep
yeah,
the free flowing and like they say chi free flowing and zen in
exactly.
the yeah. So that would also help. So basically, we've understood that we should be taking salt baths. We should be having eggshells and salt, lemon, and a whole egg. But okay, so now we know when our energy is not good. We feel like it's off. We're feeling sick. We're feeling unwell. But घर की energy, uh, पर घर की energy अच्छी नहीं है वो हमें कैसे समझ में आएगा?
सिंपल लेमन वाला करो, जो लेमन रिचुअल है उससे
Hmm.
इमीडिएटली पता चल जाएगा कि आपके घर की एनर्जीज कैसी हैं. अगर लेमन नीचे है ग्लास में,
Hmm.
that means it's blocked energies. You need to cleanse your house. Now
Right.
cleansing ये नहीं है कि रोज मॉपिंग हो रही है तो क्लेंस हो रहा है. क्लेंजिंग का मतलब ये भी है, जैसे आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला कि डीक्लटरिंग नहीं हो रही है, कि हमने सिर्फ वहां पे चीजें फेंकी हुई हैं. There is one thing which says कि after every few months, after every 2 months, in fact, you should shift the objects of your house. You
Right.
should at least shift 7 objects of your house
Right.
in a
What?
room.
Why is that so?
Because see, वो energy stagnant हो जाती है वहां पे. ठीक है, तो सिंपल है, जैसे टेबल है. ओके, I'll just show you.
Yeah.
अगर ये जैसे टेबल है, इसको मैं बस यहाँ से यहाँ करूंगी, इसकी मैंने एनर्जी शिफ्ट की.
Yeah.
चेयर है, उसकी एनर्जी हल्की सी शिफ्ट की. ये क्रिस्टल यहाँ पे, यहाँ की जगह मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया.
Yeah.
So what am I doing? I'm making the energies move. It's very
Yes.
important in Vastu and Feng Shui. They believe a lot in this thing. Stagnant energies, what we say, the blocked
Yeah.
energies. So there should be a free flowing. Like I told you, वो जो pipe वाला था,
Yeah.
flow नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे होगा ना, तो flow चाहिए.
Yes. It's funny. I've been thinking about moving my furniture around a little bit. I shifted months ago, and I'm already feeling like I want to move my furniture. So now tomorrow I'm going to get up and do it, just to create a little.
Yeah, just create that thing of, and then let me know the shift energy once you do it.
Yes, for sure, for sure. Thank you for like मैं सोच रही थी कि करूँगी और अब मैं definitely करूँगी.
See, आपको लग रहा था ना अंदर से, because we don't listen to our own intuition. सब
Yeah.
कुछ हमारे अंदर ही होता है.
Yes.
We don't listen to our intuitive self, because that is something which is connecting us to the divine also.
Yeah. So what
We
do you
put
think
a
like
logical mind.
changed the furniture? Like why do you think that might have happened?
So that, because you know the thing was in your head, somewhere down the line you knew कि ये चीज stagnant है, इसको हटाऊंगी तो शायद कुछ better होगा. अंदर से आवाज आ रही है, लेकिन हम trust नहीं कर रहे.
Yes. Yeah. That's great. Yeah. So then I think we have to just, and with these practices, the more we clear energy, the more dense energy gets cleared and free flowing energy is available to us. The more we are open to this voice in our subconscious and we are able to hear it better, and the subconscious awakens, and then we are also always able to do the right thing. And if we all did that, I think all of us in every possible manner would just flourish, because then we would not hurt the other, we would not be hurt, we would just live a better life as a community as well.
Very true. Absolutely. We should be
Yeah.
ready to accept also, to receive. Then only we can give back. If we are
True.
ready to accept the change, then only we can actually, you know, the magic begins from that time only.
Yes, that's great. So, Preeti, मुझे आपसे एक बात पूछनी है. आप मुझे बताओ. So many of us are not able to meet our closed ones, right? Our family, and not everybody believes in this. They are open to it, but they are not. Like I keep telling my sister ki thodi nazar utar, take a salt bath, but she doesn't do these things because she doesn't really believe in it, and at the same time not everybody is at the same mental space at the same
Mental
time. Today,
space, right.
years ago, I didn't feel, maybe I would have said no, I'm not going to do it. So do you believe in distance clearing of dense energy? Can I do it to my mom? Can we all do it to our family members who are living away from each other?
See, distant healing can be done, distant clearing cannot be done. You can definitely, you can do a distant healing to them. You know, you can give them the energies, you can give them the healing energies via Reiki energy, via pranic energy, you know, to make them feel better and lighter. But
Right.
always remember, you know, you can only help those who want to accept the help. Like I
Yeah.
told you a while ago, one should be ready to accept and receive. अगर आप उनको जबरदस्ती करोगे ना, वो फिर एक ऑलरेडी उनके आगे ब्लॉक एनर्जीज हमारे आगे आ रही है, तो अगर हम एनर्जीज देना भी चाहेंगे तो कैसे जाएगी.
But what
अगर
if
उनको,
like my family member is living his or her life, and I am in my meditation, in my chanting, in my energy healing rituals, just include them.
yeah, that you can do aram se. That is what I said. No, you can do the distant healing,
Right.
but you cannot do the distant clearing.
Right.
है ना. तो आप हीलिंग में जब आप मेडिटेशन में बैठे हो, व्हेन यू आर विजुअलाइजिंग, visualize that happy space where your family, where your sister, your parents are, and that, you know, nothing is blocking them and all the opportunities they are getting, they are having a happy healthy life. जैसे हम
Right.
सबके लिए, जैसे जब हम मंदिर जाते हैं या हम अगर अपने लिए मांगते हैं, हम ये भी कहते हैं ना कि हमारे घर परिवार और हमारे नियर एंड डियर वंस इवन दे शुड बी हैप्पी, और वो जल्दी लगेगी भी, because you are doing it selfless service. This is right. So you are doing it unconditionally, so of course it's going to work also better.
Right.
And you can also do in another way. So you can just take their picture,
मोबाइल
में पिक्चर होगी, सेज लेके विजुअलाइज करो कि आप उनको क्लेंस कर रहे हो.
राइट.
जैसे हम एनर्जीज देते ना, रेकी देंगे, प्राणिक हीलिंग देंगे, वैसे ही यू कैन विजुअलाइज. सो दैट्स हाउ वी डू कि okay, the things are becoming better. So you can do that thing. Another thing which they don't know, for example, between somebody like your sister, right? Okay, who is not staying with you right now, and you want to enhance some good relationship उसका और अपने parents के साथ. So what you can do is just take a red color का molly. Molly is that wet thread cotton का. अपने palm के हिसाब से ना, just visualize that this thing is you take the molly, उसको नापो और बोलो कि for example that's your sister, with the intention कि उसके हाथ की molly है, right? जो second person है, for example your mother, उसके नाम की वो अपनी पाम के हिसाब से लो और जरा सा लंबा छोटा लेना, so that वो सेम ना हो, क्योंकि एक का हाथ छोटा होगा, एक का डेफिनेटली लंबा होगा. Okay, so with that intention, take that molly and then just make 4 knots. Okay. So when you are making the first knot, you are like, this relationship between both of them is really good and it's a very beautiful relationship. So like this, you have to make 4 knots. So basically it's a knot magic which we do. Once done, उसको किसी भी पूजा की थाली होती है ना, जो जोत जलती है, या कैंडल ले लो, उसमें आपने 7 times clockwise ऐसे घुमाया, ठीक है? Now you can also keep it under your mattress, because that intention is to have an enhancing and a harmonious relationship between your mother and your sister, or between you and your sister. So long distance ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Like if you want to improve the relationship. So basically these are like love spells which we give the Indian Vedic way. Yeah, honey say you can do it with the intention that things are happening good. So
did you say with
honey? So basically what you do, you take a honey jar. Okay, take any company honey jar and you add a bit of rosemary, a handful of rose petals, some cinnamon powder, some sauce.
Okay, honey, I'm going to rosemary. I happen to have most all of these.
Done.
Honey,
Then do it.
Cinnamon,
cinnamon,
petals,
rosemary, sauce, that is fennel, and you can take a pinch of nutmeg powder. Add all of these, right? And then just take a plain piece of paper, write down in present tense as the situation that, for example, Megha is having a beautiful, harmonious relationship with whomever you want it to be. And our relationship is as sweet as honey. So just write this, and you will always add, this is my wish, so mote it be. So it's a spell language. Just fold the paper, dip it in the honey jar, and just forget about it. Keep it in a safe place. So you will start seeing the relationship turning really sweet. So this is one love spell which people vouch for, because it has worked wonders for people. Right.
Okay. So you put it inside the jar and you leave it inside the jar?
Yeah, then you just leave it.
Okay.
Leave it for at least 40 days to start seeing the shift.
Right.
Right. And if you have a red candle, you can... Sorry?
If you have a...
If you have a...
You said if you
red
have
candle. If you have a red candle, a simple red candle like... Okay. So I have this red candle which I make. You can take any candle.
Okay.
So you can just burn a wet candle on that honey jar, let the wax dip on the jar, so your basically the spell is sealed. So why do we do that? Because the wax seals your magic spell. So do this. It really works.
Okay. So you keep the jar on top of this red candle.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
जार था, उसका वो जो ढक्कन था वो बंद हुआ, ढक्कन के ऊपर कैंडल
Right.
रखोगे और फिर वो जो वैक्स है
Right.
वो आपके उसके ढक्कन के ऊपर गिरेगी.
Right.
So that's how, and you keep like this only in a safe place.
Right.
Try out with a small honey jar first.
Right.
You know, so do that.
Okay. That's very, yeah. The thing is, like, so many people would not believe in these things, but the only way to understand and firstly, like I talk about crystals, I'm a big fan of crystals, and I always say that the first step for crystals is you have to believe that they can heal you and they can change
Yeah.
you and your environment. Only then will they work. So, luckily, or most of our people over here believe in all these
Believe
things
in.
and they are pro and they have some interesting questions. Somebody wanted to know how you do aura healing, not cleansing. Somebody wanted to know something about mana. Is it possible to do distance mana? And some really interesting stuff
Get
people
some
are asking.
addiction lessons with the bracelet. Yes, we do have bracelets for certain addictions also. So if somebody is a smoke, has an addiction for smoke or alcohol, or even something which is not right, yes, we do have addiction bracelets, and you can even get it customized. And another thing is aura healing or aura cleansing. Kya bola?
Aura
What was it?
healing.
So aura healing, see, we do have a aura scanner. So once we know how good or how bad your aura is, so the things are given accordingly. And crystals ka, like you spoke na, Megha, see, जो नहीं बोल, those who don't want to believe it, a simple thing, just like gods, मानो तो भगवान है, नहीं मानो तो simple stone है. Correct? Similarly, these are the
Yes.
crystals. And crystals are actually the natural source. वो तो हमें Mother Earth से मिले हैं. And they have wonderful energies. So, any other question?
Narendra over here has asked about frequency in music and does it overcome depression. So what you're saying,
Yes, it
Preeti, is
does.
that your life, if they don't, you didn't believe enough. So yeah, somebody's asking about frequency music. So that's another thing I inculcate in my life. Narendra.
Yeah.
Thank you for asking and bringing this up. Even frequency music. So as a diabetic, my solar plexus is where my pancreas is. And the music I play at home in the morning is solar plexus binaural healing tone, and it just plays in the background, and it's something you have to believe will help. And I do believe that music is energy, your body is energy, everything is energy. So indirectly it is those beats, those that frequency is going
Frequency.
to like they say, touch a chord, it's going to make a difference. So I definitely believe in frequency music as well.
See here. Frequency music really helps. And I think even at times when you just don't feel like doing anything, I just put on some music and dance like nobody is watching you.
That always works.
That always works.
That's, yeah, it's, I think some basic things that we are given in life are so underestimated, and we get so lost in these high funda things. And I'm like, pehle basic cheeze to karo, pehle
Basic
get
cheeze
those
karo.
right.
Ab simple
Yeah.
cheeze, when people ask me and they're frantic, they want some remedies ki bas de do kuch bhi jo work kare. We are ready to pay. And my first thing is, you know what? Go to your kitchen, first get these things, and first, simple चीजों से ही फर्क होगा. उनको लगता है सिर्फ
Yeah.
महंगी चीजें या something which is very fancy might work. See, definitely sage works. लेकिन पुराने जमाने में जो हवन होते थे या सिंपल कपूर जलाओगे वो भी वही काम करेगा. Right? Having a sage plant at home is going to do the same thing as smudging or as burning a agarbatti or doing a havan, small havan. So we forget the basic things, you know, we just go in for the fancy stuff.
Yeah.
And there's
And,
so many spells to make
and
people, you know, people get fascinated by those complicated things. They don't want to understand the simple fundas in life.
exactly. I mean, people, yeah, the small rituals are really, really underestimated. And you know how a person is feeling or how a home is the minute you enter somebody's home. It's happened with me also. I've entered and I've not felt very good. I've not got a good vibe and I've left. Or with a person or at home and in somebody's house. And it always happens. Your subconscious tells you यहाँ पे कुछ ठीक है या कुछ ठीक नहीं है. But the good thing is there are so many ways you can correct them. So we spoke about cleansing the house with lemon, with the eggs, with salt. There's another thing I do at home is every few days I would like to know from you Preeti, if I should do it for 40 days or if every few days is fine. Every few days I put pocha mein namak, Tata salt, basic namak, but we put the pocha is done with namak in it. What do you think
Do
of
it
this? And should it
continuously. Like I do
be
it daily, except on Thursday. Because Thursday is the day जो Guru का होता है, basically Jupiter. So that's the day even
done?
for finance. So we don't do it on Thursday, but otherwise it's everyday affair. So
Okay,
I do it daily. You can even add vinegar in your mopping this thing. If you feel you don't want to add salt, vinegar is also going to do the same thing. So
okay.
yeah, but do it
Also,
daily.
okay. Daily, not on Thursday, guys. And if you want, you can also add vinegar and not salt. And try these things. They really work. They really, really work. Somebody was asking where do you get sage in Palo Santo. I have been lucky enough. Some of my gurus have, handed over sage in Palo Santo to me. My oracle reader teacher has done that. But I think they are available on Amazon, or
They
maybe
are
you can find
available on
them on
Amazon, very easily available. And I would suggest get a sage plant because it's really going to help. I mean, how many bundles are you going to buy? Let's be practical. So, of course, sage leaves you get very easily, you get in Amazon. Sage plant you get in Amazon. Palo Santo, I'm not sure about Amazon, but you will get in any healing store, you will get. Palo Santo नहीं है, sandalwood stick ले लो. Same उसका असर है. Sandalwood stick.
क्या
सैंडलवुड
sandalwood.
चंदन चंदन इजीली अवेलेबल है सेम होगा
Hmm. Hmm.
एनी अदर
Actually,
क्वेश्चंस
we've covered so many things about how we can just remove negative energy. We should also talk about how the first most important thing is cut negative people out of your life.
very simple cancel clear
Yeah,
delete just say that
sorry.
it's cancel
Yeah,
clear delete so it's a switch word if you feel you just don't want a certain person in your life just say cancel clear delete
cancel, clear, delete.
delete
Cancel. Did you say clear?
cancel clear
Clear, delete.
yeah
So yeah, that's one thing they taught us in our pranic. Well, like they were like, like after you after pranic healing, after you have given healing to a person, after you're done with healing, you literally have to cut cord,
yeah
cut ties, because otherwise you can bring that energy along with you, and that's not a good thing.
you have to cut the cords with the people whom you don't want who are toxic who are just doing no benefit to you. So it's always better cut the cords.
Yes, that's very interesting. The other day I ran uh, a survey on my Instagram handle as to how difficult do you find it to say no? Do you find it difficult to say no? And a surprising 80%, 75, 80% of the population said that we find it very difficult to say no. And that's the first thing I think now we should have, like, that's my focus on learning, like learning to say no, because we end up doing things for other people we don't want to, and then we
Yeah.
give some part of us, not completely, and it's a weird space to be in. So learning to say no can be really helpful.
Megha, it is one of the most basic thing. I think the way we have been taught now, at times I feel no, don't say no. The other person might feel offensive, or it's all. You might not be good enough. People will think, oh, how could she say no to me? हम यही सोचते रहते हैं कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. And when you get married, and if you are in a joint family, you just are in that thing. You cannot say no. But it's very important. If you don't like something, you have to put your foot firm down and say no. See, that is what happens ना. Self love. जब तक self love नहीं आएगा, आप किसी को मना नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आप सबको ही वो sugary coat करोगे, and you want to be good in anybody and everybody's book. But in life, one thing which I have realized, you cannot be everybody's cup of tea. So good enough. If I'm not your cup of tea, that's fine. That's the way I
I
am.
sort of tequila than your cup of tea.
Yeah. Okay, it doesn't suit me. But that happens, that comes with the confidence. Like I told you, so staying in a joint family and to say a no for something was a big thing. But then you realize you have to love yourself the most. The priority should be you yourself. Then only you can say.
True, very true. So many questions we've answered, guys. Thank you so much for
You.
so many questions. One question which we not answered is basically people have asked how can we get in touch with Preeti? Either you go to beautiful Shimla on Mall Road, or else there are two handles that I have linked on my stories, guys. I will link it again. You can get in touch with Preeti on those two handles. I seriously endorse her candles, her angels, her advice. Please follow it. Please make these small changes. Just some salt in your bath for 40 days, salt in your pocha for 40 days. Just keep some nimbu in a glass of water. See how it's making you feel. There's no harm trying. Only when you try, you will know whether it's working for you or not. Till then, at least I believe in the policy, do not dismiss anything till you've not given it at least one shot. And here the one shot is 40 days. So give it 40 days. Get on.
And it's free of cost. First of all, none of these remedies you have to pay. These are some things
Uh,
which is so easily available in your home. So if you've tried so much and it's not working, why not try something which is just in your kitchen shelf? Give it a shot,
yes.
give it a try.
Yes. But I'd also tell them to please get on your handle and get some candles and angels because they're so, and they really, really work. So please give it a shot. I'm linking both the
Thank you so much, Megha.
amount and having a
Thank you,
thank
Megha.
you.
It was
Thank you
lovely
for
catching up with you.
same here. I'm going to
Lots
see
of
you
love.
soon, guys.
Yeah. Take
Yes.
care.
Thank you
Bye.
for joining us and let us know what you think of this. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.